Hi everyone, this is Salim. You are watching Easy Biology. 10th class first lesson Nutrition, the food supplying system. End of the lesson you will able to understand importance of the food. What are nutrients? Types of organisms. Mode of nutrition. And you will also understand differentiate between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. The first concept, importance of the food. Every organism required food. Every living organism required food. Why they required? Growth, repair, regeneration. Some parts are if the for example the skin is burning, the skin cells regenerating and heal that area. Regeneration. Some organisms require body temperature, maintain their body temperature. So importance of the food. Every organism is required food for their growth, their repair cells. Third one, regeneration. Some organisms required maintain their body temperature. The second concept, what are nutrients? Nutrients are components of the food, such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, fiber or roughages, water, etc. So, what are nutrients? Nutrients are components of the food, such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughages, water, etc. Such components only called nutrients. There are two types of nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. What are macronutrients? The nutrients our body required large quantity. Such nutrients only called macronutrients. What are micronutrients? Micronutrients which are required small quantities. Such nutrients are called micronutrients. I think you understand about micronutrients and macronutrients. Next topic is types of organisms. There are two types of organisms. Organisms made up of only one cell. Such organisms are called unicellular organisms. Organisms, two types, unicellular, multicellular. Unicellular organisms, organisms made up of only one cell. Did you understanding about unicellular organisms made up of only one cell? Such organisms are called unicellular organisms. Examples, amoeba, paramecium, etc. Example, amoeba. So what are multicellular organisms? Organisms which are made up of more than one cell. Such organisms are called multicellular organisms. Examples, we are only human. Very simple. Unicellular and multicellular difference. Organisms which are made up of only one cell, such organisms are called unicellular organisms. Organisms which are made up of more than one cell, such organisms are called multicellular organisms. So our body is made up of trillions of cells. Okay, just multicellular means more than one, means 2, 300, 1000, million, trillion. Such organisms are called multi. Okay, right. Next, mode of nutrition. So we know that there are different types of trillions of organisms are present, but all organisms are not getting the same way. According to they are getting their nutrition, we divided into mainly two categorized, such as autotrophic nutrition. Second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic again further divided according to they are getting their nutrition based. Okay, mode of nutrition, first of all, autotrophs, heterotrophs. So next one is, what are autotrophs? Autotrophs are organisms which are convert light energy into chemical energy. So what do you understand autotrophs? Autotrophs are organisms which are convert light energy into chemical energy. They also require water and minerals from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air. These simple materials using to they are converted into chemical energy. Such organisms are called autotrophs. Example, green plants. What are heterotrophs? Heterotrophs are organisms which are not making their own food. They are simply depending on autotrophs. Such organisms are called heterotrophs. Examples, human, all animals. What are the topics we are covered in this today topic? First one is importance of the food. Every organism is required food for their growth, repair, regeneration, and maintain their body temperature. This purpose they require food. Second one is, what are nutrients? Nutrients are components of the food such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughages, water, etc. So there are two types of nutrients, such as macro, second one is micro. So macro means large quantity required nutrients are called macro, small quantity required nutrients are called micro. Next, types of organisms. Simply they are made up of, if they are made up of only one cell, such organisms are called unicellular organisms. Organisms made up of more than one cell, such organisms are called multicellular organisms. Next, mode of nutrition. They getting their nutrition getting based, we divided into mainly two categorized, such as autotrophic nutrition. Second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic again divided into further depending on they are getting based. Okay, I think you understand. If you have any doubt or if I teach any mistakes, please comment, and thank you for watching. Thank you everyone.